Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here I am in beautiful country number 102, Nauru. Let's see what I got up to. Enjoy the episode. Beautiful government office here in Nauru, right across from the airport. You can see the plane right there. And that's the president's office behind me. It's all government officials. Today's January 2nd, so I'm guessing they are off as, or they could be starting a new year. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's open. It's always a fun gamble with the churches. Never know. Sometimes you just gotta get lucky. Nah, it's locked, unfortunately. And if you remember some of my videos, sometimes going through 7 doors is not the answer, as it's still locked. But it should be open on Sunday, I think, for service. But right now it's closed, unfortunately. But yeah, beautiful building. The phosphate processing plant. This is surreal. Wow. Okay. This is unbelievable. Look at this. Wow. Like I'm in the Jungle Book or something. This is unreal. Wow. Wow, this is unreal, Peter. Holy smokes. So this is some of the cells, huh? Yeah. Wow.
You have only 3 cells in.
Okay. Jesus.
1 here, 2 over there.
Okay. Man, oh man, oh man. Wow. Yeah, I wouldn't have found this on my own, Peter, so thank you for this, bud. This is unbelievable. Wow. as they say, nature always wins. So I love that. That's beautiful. That yeah, almost 100 years, 80 years of growth here now. You can barely recognize it. And let's see, one more here. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness, it's eerie feeling, and wow. Man, oh man, war is ugly, but it's important to remember this stuff. Wow. Yeah, you could easily drive past this. I was saying to my guide, Peter, I would recommend putting a big sign there saying, hey, you got to come in there and see this, as I was not sure what he was taking me to, but yeah, very much hidden. Jungle is overgrown everything now, and yeah, you could easily drive past that, but you shouldn't, and you should check it out while here. Hey y'all, sorry to pause the video right here. I just need to ask a favor from all of you. So currently only about 10% of all the people watching these videos are subscribed. So if you can please do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button down below, tell a friend, tell a family member. That's how this channel grows, and I can continue my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. So looking at you, the one who hasn't subscribed, please hit that button down below, and that'll help us all out. So again, appreciate all the love and support I've received thus far, and stay golden all. It's closed, yeah, closed, but maybe we can sneak a peek. Oh yeah. Okay. Sometimes you gotta get creative with these church shots, but the windows are open, so we got you guys a view. Rotary Club in probably 50 different countries. It's amazing. It's all over the world. Rotary Park. Used to be how they would load the ships with phosphate. I guess they're still doing it, but to a much smaller scale. And then yeah, it goes to Australia, and a lot of times goes over to China and even Taiwan. we are at the highest point on the island of Nauru. This is a beautiful view. And that used to be the president's house many years ago. As you can see, it's no longer anybody's house. Man, oh man, what a beautiful spot. Oh, nice cemetery down there. We'll try our luck again, but not counting on it. Nope, locked again. Midday, midweek. Let's just see this over here quickly. Never seen a red frangipani like that. That's incredible. Wow. Beautiful. Now I've seen them in white, pink, orange, and red. So that's spectacular. And again, they all smell fantastic. Beautiful cemetery, as a friend once told me. And the islands, they sometimes treat you better dead than alive, so they really do take care of their deceased here, and it is beautiful. So thinking of you, John, that was a good memory that stuck with me. Incredible Eva Beach here in Nauru. Beautiful. And you see me do this lots in other videos. You gotta stop and smell the flowers for free. Oh, love that smell. And again, you can fit that in your $10 budget anywhere in the world. So I encourage you to get out, stop and smell a couple flowers today. That's the swimming pool, nature swimming pool. right, so I won a prize here as I was the first one at the New Year's celebration, so they thought I deserved it. So let's have a look. All right, let's peel that back. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is wow. Okay, I don't know. Wow, I am okay. Beautiful Pinot Noir, which I will enjoy. And hey all, thanks so much for watching another episode of Travel with Carter. I'm having an absolute blast here in Nauru. I hope I inspired you guys to hit that like button, tell a friend, tell a family member, as I can continue to work on my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to visit every single country in the world. So this was country number 102. I'll be putting out a new video every week, so I hope you are enjoying it, and tune in next Sunday for a new episode. Stay golden all.